So this is the door. It has wheels on the top and the bottom, as you can see. So this is the reason why it's considered a heavy, it's a heavy duty door, okay? And then when we put it on the frame, this is what it looks like. So there's a handle right here that will open and close, and it sits right there, so you can see. So there is no lock really per se. Okay, and then when it comes to the window, you have a sliding window. So this is a sliding window. And this is what the screen will look like. Okay. So this is what it looks like.